Lovely viewers, this is a Light World learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you filter by domain profile inbound rules check. So for this case we will go to the search options here and press the control panel where we will get the Windows Defender Firewall that we can enter the inbound rule. So how? So this is the thing, advanced settings. See, this is the whole option for inbound, outbound or any kinds of Windows Firewall rule or security, advanced security. So this is the thing. So inbound we have to click. See, there have all kinds of rule is here. So now how do we define that? We want to check the what things the domain or public filter the things. So how? So here the filter by profile, see, there have show all. So we wanna check the specific thing. So filter by domain, just when we click and the things profile what? Domain all. See, the thing has domain. So in this way we can check this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.